Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best action cameras. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top action cameras, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Akaso Brave 7 La 4K 30fps 20MP Wi-Fi action camera. Most action cameras are quite expensive and come with extensive lists of features. Not everyone needs the latest and greatest camera, though. If you just want a durable, basic action camera to document your travels, the Akaso Brave 7 La is a great choice. This isn't the latest Akaso model, that would be the Brave 8, but the balance of features and price make it worth the purchase. The camera itself is IPX7 rated, but it comes with a case that makes it waterproof to 131 feet. The Brave 7 La is capable of 4K 30p video or 720p at 120 fps for slow motion. It offers 6-axis electronic stabilization, which is pretty good considering the price of the camera. This budget action cam features a front and rear screen, which makes it easier to frame your shots no matter which way you point the camera. Number 2. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. For those who are extra concerned about wind resistance and drag, the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini is the way to go. This camera is 13% smaller than the Hero 11 Black, making it more suitable for mounting on a motorcycle helmet, surfboard, or airplane. It also features mounting feet on the bottom and back of the camera, opening up more options for how you mount it. Despite the smaller size, the Hero 11 Mini gets many of the same features and specs as its big brother. It uses the same larger sensor, allowing for vertical videos, and is still capable of 5.3K 60p video with class-leading stabilization. Unfortunately, there is no photo mode on the Mini version. Instead, you'll have to rely on grabbing 24-megapixel stills from videos. Another difference between the Mini and regular-sized Hero 11 is the lack of a screen on the Mini. Number 3. Insta360X3, Waterproof 360 Action Camera. If you want truly immersive videos of your action adventures, you can't beat the Insta360X3. This camera can record 360-degree video at up to 5.7K and 30 fps. Then, you can use either the Insta360 mobile or desktop apps to edit your video and reframe your shots how you want to showcase the best parts of each moment or show off the full 360-degree view at once. This action camera is highly versatile, thanks to the ability to use a single lens along with the dual lenses used for recording 360-degree video. You can either record selfie content with the rear lens or show off what's in front of you with the front-facing lens. And it features a handful of shooting modes, such as up to 8K 360-degree time-lapse and 4K slow motion. The 2.29-inch touchscreen makes it easy to adjust settings and see what you are recording. Number 4. Insta360 Go 3, 64GB, small and lightweight action camera. If the GoPro Hero 11 Mini isn't small enough for you, the Insta360 Go 3 is the smallest form factor that action cameras come in. It weighs just 1.3 ounces, which is light enough to put on your hat and barely notice. The tiny size makes it feasible to put in locations that you otherwise couldn't. This modular camera utilizes a unique magnetic mounting system that is fast and simple to use. The Go 3 tops out at 2.7K 30p video, which is the main disadvantage of this camera. But if you just want to capture memories or share your action adventures on social media, 2.7K is more than enough. And there are no recording limits at that resolution, so you can record long takes. It also allows for 120 fps when backing off the resolution to 1080p, offering up slow motion footage. And you'll have access to Insta360's impressive stabilization for smooth video. Number 5. DJI Osmo 4K/120 fps Waterproof Action Camera. DJI built plenty of upgrades into the 4th iteration of its action camera, and it is ready for seriously epic adventures. It's waterproof down to 59 feet without special housing and features a color temperature sensor to automatically adjust the color of your video even if you are deep below the surface while scuba diving. Should you want to go even deeper, with a waterproof case, the camera can go to 210 feet. For activities on land, the camera can function as cold as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll be able to document even your freezing cold ski trips. It utilizes a unique magnetic quick-release plate that is convenient and easy to use. And you can mount the camera vertically, meaning no cropping is required in order to create a social media-ready video. For vloggers, the live stream support at multiple resolutions is a huge benefit. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.